see. There we go. Good morning. Didn't realize I had my volume off. But you should be able to hear me now. There's a lot going on this morning. Not sure where I'm leaning towards at the current moment. Should have audio now. Should be good. Give me a woo or something if you can hear me. But yeah, there's a lot going on, so I'm kind of trying to figure out where the best potential is in a market full of craziness. See, an ASLN. If ASLN could break $3, well, actually, it's 200-day moving average. If it could re-break that at 280, it could get a move. It's been shorted out pretty hard. BOLD. Okay, it's nothing there. Dryo making a little bit of a U shape here. This could go crazy. Dryo's got a lot of action, but it's right at this 200-day moving average. It's way up there. I don't know if I want to play it or not. I am on the paper trade account today because my funds are settling, so I might be a little more reckless. I'm trying not to be. Try to treat it just like it's real money, but Dryo with this little U shape here. If it breaks this, if it gets a strong break of this VWAP, it could get moving, but $10 is going to be very tough, so that kind of makes me nervous. We're going to wait and see. CODX. You're watching Dryo? Yeah. Yeah, Dryo's got some potential right now. It's right here at this VWAP. Like I said, $10 is going to be extremely tough. That's why it hit here and it hit here. It's going to be pretty tough resistance. It's got to break the VWAP, which it's having problems with, and then it's got to break $10. So, but it does have a very low float and could very easily get going. The thing that worries me is it's up so high already. So I don't think it's going to get it right here. It might, but I don't think so. TK, nothing there. Cracking off. PRNL. Little potential. Maybe a possible U shape there. The XDS has crashed off pretty hard. ALDX, nothing. SLN, let's see. SLN right at the VWAP still. 280 is going to be pretty tough resistance. 275. There's a lot of resistance ahead of this for it to be able to really open back up and get going. You got the 275's natural resistance, and it hit 275 back here and here. 280 is where the 200-day moving average is at, and then $3 is strong resistance. So this really needs to break like $3 to get going. See how Dryo did get that pop. Okay. So Dryo with the move. It's just so high up for me. I mean, like it's up 100% already, so it just makes me nervous. But I mean, that's got a little bit of a big U shape there as well. But it is above the VWAP now. I don't know. It's just so high up it makes me nervous. It's just like with ASLN yesterday. You know, it was so high up as well, and then it had a $2 red candle in a minute. So that's what worries me about DRIO. I don't want to. I don't want to play anything that's gonna get me killed. What's going on here? Okay, reverse stock split. Let's see, V-Ray. Nothing there. Missing anything else anywhere? Let's see, AXDS. Maybe possible U-shape there. It's got a good chart pattern though. Intech's just barely going. So right now, all the volume is on DRIO. One Life's in at $10. Nice job. Had a big dip there. Looks like it's going to get moving here. A little bit of red coming in there. Oof. All the way that bid all the way down to 973, 963. And this is what I was worried about. That's a whew, golly. See, this is exactly what I was worried about. This is exactly what I was worried about. From 11:23 to 8:50 in 2 minutes. Man, One Life, I hope you got out of that, my friend. I hope you are out, because that is ugly. It's a bloodbath. And that's why I did not want to touch this, because it's up so high. Oof. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Yeah, you definitely want a quick scalp this. But that is exactly what I was worried about. Just nothing but red coming in. Out at 1050. All right, good job, One Life, for getting out of there before you got your head chopped off, because that was ugly. Whew. Yeah, I don't even want to look at DRIO anymore. That's all I need to see. Where's all the volume gonna go though? That's the question at hand. Where's the volume gonna go? See, ASLN did get a little move there. A little pop up, but that 280 is still holding it up. Like I said, that's really got to get above $3 before it can open back up and get crazy. See, ALDX. It's had a good press release. And it's got $6 resistance ahead. I'm not feeling that. I'll take it off. ADXS looks like it's crashing out. Like that. PRANL. OLTK. That's still okay. CODX is still okay. 5 is interesting. Looks like some volume starting to come in the Vive, maybe. It's got resistance at $1. Where's everybody gonna go? Yeah, CODX still looks good. Intech moving up slowly. If it breaks 75, let's see, is that where it's at? 72. If it could break 75 cents, could really see some movement come in on Intech. We'll keep an eye on Intech too. DRIO still cracked off for now. Those big ugly red candles. Let's see, and I'm just not seeing anything else. There's some stocks with some possible potential, but let's see if my scan will work. Okay. Make sure I'm not missing anything. ABIL. I'm missing that. Definitely missing that. Don't know why that didn't show up earlier. MOSY. Okay, let's go look at that. See, ABIL. So they got something, they're receiving $9 million or something like that. Interesting. I'm thinking about ABIL. It is up a little high right now. I think the break of 80 cents on ABIL might be a decent entry. Q8C. A little U-shape there. Not a lot of volume though. And it's got a lot of a pretty big float though, so MSY. I like the chart pattern. 218, 220. Interesting. Let's see. About the time DRIO died off is when this started getting a little volume in there. This could be the play. We're starting to do a little reverse U shape right here, so I don't like that. Am I missing anything, guys? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, pop up there, 230. So it's starting to move around a little bit. I don't like this curl up. Nothing there yet. Potential U shape on DRIO. This keeps coming back around. Gets up to that 950 area. It could be a potential play on this still. Let's see. I have to keep it on watch. Oh, that's why still nothing. Intech still got a ways to go. Live is coming right up to the VWAP. PRNL breaking the VWAP. Looking pretty ugly though right now. And it's got a lot of resistance ahead as well. But this did go on a nice move last, whatever the 27th was, I think, Thursday? I'm not sure, I don't remember. See ASLN still? ASLN got up to $3. Whew. DRIO all the way down to 765. That's what I was worried about on that one. So where's all the volume going? I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, DRIO is done. I couldn't get that U shape. MOSY. Cheetah. Interesting. Starting to, yeah, DRIO definitely tanked. That's what I was saying at the beginning, is that was so high up, I was worried about that happening. Break of the VWAP here on 5. So I have some resistance at the 95-cent area and then $1. But if it breaks those, it could get going. Big buyers coming in at 94 cents. A lot of big buyers coming in here in this area. Right at 94. Thinking about getting in, but it's got to break 95 cents. You could possibly see it up to $1. I think it's gonna go. I'm gonna get in on this. Maybe a little premature. Minute 95 exactly. And this is a little risky because it is above the VWAP right here. So what I'm looking for is for it to move on up to $1 and then either sell at $1 or if it gets the dollar break, then we're off to the races. There we go, up to 96 cents. Big seller at 97. See if 97 gets taken out. We'll drop down there. Still have all those big buyers at 94 cents, so I think as long as that holds up, then be okay. I'm just going to put a little stop loss right below 94 cents. And see if this keeps going here. Staying right at 95, 96 range because there's still a lot of selling at 97, but it's starting to get taken out. So let's see. It's still getting taken out. And it looks like 97 is going to break. There it is. Nicely done. Nice break. Up to 98. Let's see. We're going to get to $1. There we go. Volume starting to come in at right as we're coming up to $1. 98 cents. Some buys. Closer this gets to $1, the more volume should start coming in. We're up to 99 cents on the bid, up to $1. The bid didn't quite hit $1. See, so I'm selling at $1. So if enough volume comes in to break $1, should should make a nice move. Or a decent move. I'd say if it breaks a dollar, at least up to $1.10. So big seller at $1 right there. Oh, the dollar's getting taken out though. This is let's see here. There it goes. There's the break of $1. There we go. Like I said, I think maybe $1.10 we could see. Maybe. We are. Oh, there we go. Nice big pop up to $1.08. Bids up to $1.06. And this guy was predictable as it could, as about as predictable as it gets. But it may be done there. Let's see, I'm going to let's see how many shares I got? 800. So I'm gonna drop 500 shares. Just to lock in something. If it'll do it. There we go. Okay, so I locked in 500. I got 300 left. We're gonna let these ride. Gonna let this 300 ride. See if it gets back up to $1.10. Maybe more. We'll see. At this point, $1 should be support. But we will see. Ooh, right down to $1. See if $1 comes back up. See if $1 is going to hold as support or not. Still got the VWAP as a support too at 96 cents. Let's see. It looks like it's trying to hold $1. Maybe not. There we go. Little bounce here. Looks like a lot of buying came back in after that red candle. Let's see if it's gonna get back above $1 or not. Bids has not popped over $1 yet. There we go. There's the $1. There's the bids back over $1. That's what we want to see, because at this point, you know, locked in over half of my position. I've got 300 shares left, just to see if this is gonna maybe keep climbing up. See if it gets over $1.10, maybe that $1.15, $1.20 area. If not, then I can always get out, and I still made a little profit with scaling. So, anybody else trading anything else today? To me, it doesn't look like much else is going on. See, the VWAP's at 97 cents, so I'm going to just put a little stop loss right under 97 cents. Oop. Alright, well, I got put out. That dropped really fast. That dropped really fast right there. Oh, well. It's alright. It's still a little profit on the paper trade account. Pretty predictable, easy play. Let's see what else is going on. ABIL still never did anything. DIRO. That's what I was thinking. The market seemed kind of quiet right now. But if you get the CNBC Morning Squawk or any type of news type of thing, they were predicting a red market today because Trump said that they might not make a deal with China until after the 2020 election. So I guess that scared traders out. So yeah, the only thing that's made a move is VIVE, so it's pretty good. Now the one stock that did something so far. Pretty good. Float's only 3 million. I was really expecting this to move a little bit more, but may have to readjust here. But yeah, very, very quiet looking market today. You are definitely right. But like I said, maybe people are scared out today. Anytime Trump tweets or says something about anything, it makes the market crazy. Because we've had a hot, consistent market yesterday and last week. And then all of a sudden today, he says that about the trade war, and the market is slow. And that's why you gotta be careful in these markets. I know everybody was pretty gung ho on DRIO this morning, but I mean it was up so high, you know. When the stock is up that high and there's potential that the market could go red, it's very easily that you can get these crashes like this. And VIVE still moving. Big buyer coming 94,000 shares. He's getting taken out a little bit, but I kind of got flushed out of this on my last few shares there on that quick red candle, but it's okay. It looks like VIVE is the only thing that is moving out of anything today. So that's good. At least something's moving. Big buyers coming in. There's some volume on VIVE because there are some big buyers and big sellers. All the way back down to 99 cents. So it's kind of all over the place. I think I'll give the stream about 30 more minutes. I've got a lot to do today. I've got to take my dog to the vet and some other stuff. So we'll give the stream about 30 more minutes because it does look like the market's pretty slow. I was able to get this one little trade in on Vive. A little $47 profit paper trading. But yeah, we'll give it about 30 more minutes. How's everybody doing today? Everybody in good spirits? Everybody have a good Thanksgiving? You guys ready for Christmas? Got all your Christmas shopping done? How you guys feeling? I want to hear from you guys. You guys are awful quiet. You guys are quiet like the market is today. I know some of you guys are focused. There you go. See you tomorrow, Mark. We'll be back on the small account challenge tomorrow. Go enjoy the avatar. See, that's smart. That's a smart trader. Sometimes it's better not to trade at all when the market's quiet like this. Just looking around. DRIO starting to come back up. It could get. It's got a long ways to go to get to that VWAP area, but it's still hanging in there. Plus, I also have to hook up my new setup. A new computer setup so I can have a little bit better quality on everything. I've got to hook that up today as well, so I got a lot to do. So as I said, I give it about 20 more minutes, 25 more minutes. Doesn't look like much is going to go on today. At least not right now. So I'm not seeing. I mean, there's some potential U shapes, but most likely they're not going to break. Volume kind of spread out. And you see VIVE is struggling too, still struggling with that dollar area. It can't make up its mind whether it wants to use the dollar as support or resistance. Looks like it's trying to lean more towards support at a dollar, but still kind of getting held up. Has anybody watched the Witcher TV show on Netflix? I know that's totally random, but I was reading an article on it earlier. It seems like the last couple of days there's been a lot of articles about that show pop up. Just curious if it's as good as the critics are saying or not. Just going sideways right now on VIVE. I'm just trying to make conversation, guys, because this is a boring market today. Got a little action on Vive. And that's about it. I don't see anything else doing anything. See DIR still hanging in there a little bit. It's just so sketchy. So yeah, not a lot going on. Pretty quiet market, which is crazy because of how hot it was last week, and then how how hot it was yesterday. Well, I don't know. A lot of people on Facebook was saying it was slow yesterday and that there wasn't much money to be made, but I did fine, so I don't know what they were all looking at, but it's definitely quiet today. Let's see, is DRIO gonna come back up? For this U shape to keep forming, this is gonna have to get over $8 soon. Okay, there it's over $8. My only problem with this U shape is it has to move $1 to get to the VWAP. That's a lot of room to move. It's got to go from $8 to $9 just to get to the VWAP, and then it's got to break $9. And it's up to 820. What I would say, if you're looking for the U-shaped break on this, is maybe, it is trying a little bit. I would say maybe try to get in at around $8 and have a stop loss below $7.95. Just so you got plenty of room. And actually, I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I mean. If I can get in at 800 here, I may not be able to. They want a stop loss. So you got 801. Okay. Whoa, and it cracked right down right away. So yeah, don't do that. Good thing it's a paper trade. I was messing around with the limit orders, and as I was doing that, it got a big crack out. So yeah, I just don't think it's gonna get it today. Looks like it was trying. Like I said, kind of in this area, you'd want to kind of get in around 8 and have like a quick stop loss of 7.95, so this doesn't happen to you. Yeah, and even if it breaks the VWAP, the 200 is at 983. That's what I was saying. Like, you'd really want to get in as low as possible if you're thinking about it. But even at this point, with that crack off there, I don't know. It's just so high up. It's hard. It's so tricky to play these stuff this high up. I mean, it's up 100%. Well, it's up 56% now, but it was up over 100%. And that's why I stay away from them. It's just too hard to mess with. Even like right there when I was just messing around trying to play with the limit orders on the AT ladder. You know, the stock just went just cracked for no reason. Let's see, VIVI. Oh, here we go. VIVE 5 coming back up. If this can break 108 and then probably 110, you'd see another move on it. Got a nice bounce off the VWAP there, 98 cents to $1.05. A lot of selling at 106 though, but there's a big buyer at 105, so I don't know. See who outweighs who here. So kind of a stalemate right now. Let's see. Yeah, kind of a stalemate. Big buyers on at 105, big sellers at 106. Okay, 105 got taken out. So all the way back down to $1. So yeah, Vive is all over the place at this point. It does have some volume bars down here, still sticking with some volume. But like I said, it's got to get past 108. Let's see. Let's see if there's some resistance, some clear resistance somewhere. No, there's not. This stock is way too low on its chart. There's not really any past chart. No, that's up at 270. Yeah, so yeah, we'll give it like I said, we'll give it 15 more minutes here. See if anything does anything. See DRIO. I don't think DRIO was gonna get it at this point. If it was going to, it would have kept building up there. Now it's going down some more. Yeah, I don't think DRO is going to get it. Nothing there. The only thing that is moving at all is VIVE. If CODX could get some volume, this stock has ripped before in the past. So if it could get some volume and break that 200-day moving average, it could be off to the races with it. It just doesn't have a lot of volume right now. But with DRIO dropping off, if VIVE starts dropping off, which it's still above the VWAP, as long as it's above the VWAP, there's going to be some attention on it. Let's see. MOSY. So nothing there. Get off there. Nothing there. And you can see too on CODX that the VWAP and the candles are starting to get closer together. But it's very dashy. There's not a lot of volume on this, but if a lot of volume was to come in, it does have a good press release. They got FDA approval, Indian FDA approval, in one of the world's biggest markets, and it hasn't really went on a run yet. In pre-market, it did jump from 110 to 145, but it didn't go on that big of a run. And it just hasn't had any volume, except a little bit right at market open, and then a few random little volume bars. But if a lot of volume came in on this, this would move. OLTK. They got an FDA agreement, but it's got to break 127. A lot of good press releases on stocks not doing anything today. PRNL not doing anything. ASLN got its one little run and now it's not doing anything. ABIL, it's not doing anything. Crackdown. DRO coming back up to $8. DRO just does not want to die. It does not want to die off. It just keeps on getting back to this $8 area. I said I don't think DRIO is going to get it, but it's not cracking off. It keeps looking like it's going to crack off, and then it comes back around a little more. I think it's getting held up at 825. Yeah. It's got some resistance at 825. Let's see, V-Ray, what did this do? Nothing. CLXT. CLXT went on a nice little move from 360 up to 460. A whole dollar move on that. It's going to have major resistance at the $5 area, though. 50-day moving averages there. See, DRO still holding up a little bit. If DRO can get over 825, then it might have a chance to get back to the VWAP. Still struggling with that 825 area, though. Kodak still nothing there yet. Still. You guys is a ETF. VIVE. VIVE still moving up. They're still trying to move up. Got a bit of a triangle on VIVE here. Got your bottoms there. And resistance somewhere in there. Curious on the 5 minute if this looks like a bull flag or not. A little bit. Kind of a wedge type of deal. DRIO did get above the VWAP, or not above the VWAP, but above 825. So if this is going to break, it's got to break soon. It's got to hold up $8 support. It really needs to be above 825, slowly creeping up. Next couple of candles. Need to see it up to the 850 area. Let's see here. Bid up to 825. 828. Not a lot of volume in here, but it's slowly creeping up. So CODX moved up a cent. Still nothing there yet. A lot of the volume that is in here is going to be on DRIO the closer it gets to this VWAP. If it can get there. But it's going to need to get above the VWAP soon. To finish out this U shape, or it's not gonna break. Hmm. Very slow day today. Little triangle, let's see. Let me readjust my triangle here. There, that should be right now. Okay, DRIO up in the 830 area. So we're getting closer and closer. Oh, little drop here. Like I said, $8 has got to hold up. If this cracks back below $8, probably done. We want $8 to hold up, and there it is back up to 820. Now keep going back to Codex because I'm waiting to see if this is going to get pumped or not. I know it doesn't have a lot of volume right now. But if one chat room gets hungry and wants to push something, it would probably be CODX. And it would get moving pretty fast, I would think. But I don't know for sure if that's going to happen. That's why I'm watching. I'm waiting to see if some unusual volume starts popping in there. Just keeping an eye on it while DRIO, because a lot of stock market stuff is psychological. So you got to think, if you're bored right now, like I'm bored sitting here because there's nothing really going on. You know, we're waiting. We're playing a waiting game of waiting to see if DRO is going to come up with a VWAP and if anything else is going to happen. So if you're bored and I'm bored, other traders are bored. And if they're in a chat room together, idle hands, that old saying, if they're all sitting there bored, talking about how they want to make some money, then they might just like start pushing up a stock, or they might making something out of nothing, like, oh, CODX has got the FDA approval, hasn't moved yet, maybe we should just jump in it. And then you start seeing some weird volume come into this, and then everybody will start jumping into it. Now I don't know that for sure is going to happen. I'm just saying that it is a possibility. Because this is boring. Like, we're like right now at this point, all we're doing is watching DRIO go sideways and watching for VIVE to get up there to that area. It's already cracked this triangle, so see if VIVE is going to get up to these resistance areas. You could potentially maybe do a bounce play on VIVE. Seeing DRO, IRO cracked off. Yeah, so DRIO is done. The U shape is done. It needed to keep building here. It didn't. It cracked off. So this is done. Nothing there. ABIL, still nothing there. VIVE testing the dollar support right now. It's got a lot of support at $2, $1, and $1. It potentially could do something. Because it's still building higher lows. It might end up being one of those slow climbers throughout the day. Right now, nothing else is going on. Yeah, let's see. OLTK, did it ever do anything? What I hit? No, I hit you guys. Okay. No, nothing there. Yeah, so nothing anywhere. See what TVIX looks like. TVIX went up, and then now it dropped down, and it's going back up again. There's nothing really else, not really else going on. See, V-Ray cracked off, CLXT. CLXT. Okay. This looks like a big bull flag on CLXT. If CLXT can break $5, it's got the 50-day moving average at 484 and then $5 resistance. If it can break $5, this stock could start moving. It's already went on a nice little run, but it's like the only thing has any good potential. Unless something crazy happens on CODX and it starts getting pumped, but I don't know. At this point, it's 30 minutes to lunchtime for traders. I think it's pretty much done today. Or at least I'm done. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff to do. So I'm gonna call it a day. Give you guys about 5 minutes. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and get those in. My Thinkorswim froze up, so that's always nice. Alright, there we go. Now it's not frozen. So, alright guys. Slow dead day. Very ugly. We will be back tomorrow morning on the small account. Try to keep the momentum going. Hopefully this slow market today does not translate over into tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow is better, because I want to get that small account going, and in a slow market like this, it's going to be hard to. So you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow for the small account challenge. If you guys have anything else, you missed a trade. You missed a trade that you missed a stock that you were trying to trade, or that I traded. Is that what you're asking? Was what you're saying? I can go over it with you real quick. The trade that I made, that I purposely made, because I didn't do something that was stupid. I was just messing around with. What'd you wait? See, what'd you miss, Daniel? Are you want me to go over this trade? DRO back up to $8 again. This thing does not want to give up. I'll give Daniel a second to answer here. So I'm not sure what he's saying. Before I end the stream, I don't want to end the stream without answering any questions or anything. I don't know. Don't know if he left the chat or what. Huh. Alrighty then. Alright, well, you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll be back here tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.